Safarjani College of Engineering and Technology. Shits Charnalal Nahal Chand Manav Kalyan Trust. Faculty of Electronics and Communication. Towards Progressive Civilization. Vision of Department. To evolve as a center of excellence in the field of electronics and communication in search of truth in the era of rapid growth and competition. Mission of Department. Electronics and Communication Department dedicates itself and its resources to impart quality, competency-based education and seeks to assist the civic, augmenting their proficient and personal potential. Graduate engineer will be able to test analog electronics systems. Graduate engineer will be able to draw layouts of application-specific circuits. Graduate engineer will be able to design PCB layout for electronic circuits. Graduate engineer will be able to design and develop application-oriented circuit modules. Graduate engineer will be able to simulate, verify, and test digital IC using software and hardware setup. Program outcomes. Graduate engineer will be able to measure critical performance parameters of electronics and communication systems. Graduate engineer will be able to analyze the performance of electronics and communication systems. Graduate engineer will be able to evaluate the analog and digital electronic circuits at component level. Graduate engineer will be able to perform maintenance and calibration of electronic instruments. Graduate engineer will be able to program programmable hardware devices for specific applications. Graduate will be able to demonstrate the ability to identify, formulate, and solve the problems related to electronics and communication engineering. Graduate engineer will be able to demonstrate an ability to implement digital and analog systems as per needs and specifications. Graduate engineer will be able to apply mathematics effectively for solving complex engineering problems. Graduate engineer will be able to demonstrate general design principles and tools for engineering practice. Analyze and interpret data to produce meaningful outcomes. Program educational objectives. Impart an in-depth theoretical and practical knowledge of various engineering aspects and strongly frame their fundamentals for progressing career. Develop the proficiency with the techniques of mathematics and ability to evaluate logical arguments to tackle the real-world challenges. Develop innovative ideas pertaining to technical problems based on simulations and various software means. Establish graduates as effective professionals with attention to teamwork, leadership, effective communication, critical thinking and problem-solving skills within a global, societal and environmental context. Inhibit graduates to enhance the performance in multidisciplinary organization and achieve professional advancement with increasing responsibility and ethical ramifications.